Hi, today I'm making key lime pie. This recipe is one of my favorite icebox pies. You're going to begin with a can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 bars of cream cheese. It should be room temperature for 16 ounces. In this case, I'm actually using a graham cracker pre-made crust. You will be adding a half a cup of sugar and a third of a cup of lime juice. You'll also be adding lime zest. I like to mix in my sugar and cream cheese first. I like to have that well mixed so that there's no sugar granules in the mixture. And then I'm going to add my sweetened condensed milk. And again, the goal is for it to be well mixed with the cream cheese mixture. And so it's definitely important that the bars are room temperature. And I'm mixing these things, as you can see. The goal is for it to, be well mixed. And what you'll start to see as it's mixing is a texture that is not too runny, but actually it will look a little like this. So it should almost feel, slightly firm. I add my lime zest to it. So I take half of the lime zest, which is about a tablespoon, and then I add that in. And then I'm using a pre-made crust. This is easy to make as well if you decide to. I spoon in the cream cheese mixture. I add my lime zest to the top, what's left from not being used inside of the pie, and I add sliced limes for decoration. And you're going to chill this pie for about 4 hours. Typically, I make it a day ahead, and it's a delicious, really creamy treat.